maybe love is just the same, standing close, yet